Hello again, this is Randy Hughes, Mr. Land Trust, and this is going to be the #1 reason why you should use a land trust to hold title to your real estate. Again, I'm going to go through 50 reasons. I'll do that in 50 different videos, but let's get started on the first reason that you should use a land trust to hold title to your investment real estate. One of the biggest costs to your real estate net worth could be the fees to pass property through the probate process in court. This expense can run as high as 10% of the gross estate. So placing your property in a land trust provides a smooth conduit to your heirs without going through the probate process. Why pay attorneys in the court system to process your real estate through legal systems when it's not necessary? When you die with your property in a land trust, the beneficiary receives the transfer of the subject property by contract of law, with the transaction requiring no judicial process or treatment to affect that change of ownership. So upon your death, the property passes immediately to the beneficiary outside of the courts and remains a private transaction without public notice. Furthermore, a land trust will help avoid ancillary probate. For example, owners of California real estate who live outside of California will be subject to California probate upon their death. So ancillary probate is avoided by placing real estate in a land trust, because the beneficial interest in land trust is personal property, not real property. So again, this ancillary probate, you got to understand, no matter what state you live in, if you buy property out of state and title it in your personal name, and then you die, you're going to have to go through probate in that state. So if you had 10 different properties in 10 different states, you'd have to go through 10 different probate processes. That's nuts, and it's expensive. It's just not necessary. So if you own 10 different pieces of real estate in 10 different states, and you put them in 10 different land trusts, and then you died, you wouldn't have to do that ancillary probate in those other states. You just everything would pass directly to the beneficiary immediately, and you would avoid probate. That's one of the big reasons why people use land trusts. So that's reason #1. The next video I do will be reason #2. See you then.